Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today's video features the December 2nd reveal in Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. It's time to reveal the December 2nd goodie. If you haven't opened your calendar yet, you may want to stop this video because I'm ready to show you what's inside. I'll find the number 2 box, open it up, and on the inside flap, it does show what's inside. So we see a beautiful floral design and also the sentiment, sending good thoughts. So I'll open it up and it looks like we have a fun stamp set. The items aren't attached inside the advent calendar like last year, but I am using a piercing tool to help pop it up. I'll grab a piece of white cardstock so you can get a better look at this beautiful design. As I mentioned in the December 1st video, the pattern paper I'm using for all of the advent calendars is from Doodlebug Design. It's their Hello Again collection. For today's card, the card sketch is from Sugar Pea Designs. This is Sugar Sketch number 23. I selected 2 pattern papers, this lovely floral paper for the background, and a tone-on-tone leaf foliage piece for that wide piece that goes across the card. I'll layer both of them on some black cardstock, put ATG tape on the back, and add my card front onto a card base, leaving 1/8 of an inch of the white card base showing. I'm trying to keep my advent card videos fairly short, so I've already gone ahead and stamped out the image and the sentiment. I stamped the image on some tone-on-tone light orange cardstock, cut it out using a circle die, and I'll be layering it on a black circle die cut. Put glue on the back and adhere the floral image on the tone-on-tone green strip. For the sentiment, I used black ink, stamped it on some white cardstock. I put glue on the back and I was ready to layer it on the black cardstock piece. I remembered I wanted to add a banner on the right and left side. So I used my fingers and wiped off some of the glue just on the ends. Then I'll cut a fishtail on both sides, add a little more glue on those banner ends, then layer it on some black cardstock. Now I'll use my scissors and add the little matted layer on the right and left side of the sentiment. I'll be adding this sentiment underneath the floral image, but first I'll put some foam dimension behind the sentiment just on the lower area. I'll also add a couple of small pieces on the right and left side. I'm using Honeybee Stamps black foam strips. It's a very thin foam, so it doesn't add a lot of dimension. Then I'll put glue on the back and adhere it underneath the floral image. To finish off the card, I'm adding 2 small banners in the upper left-hand corner, following the design of the card sketch. I use more of the pattern paper. I have the black with the rainbow tiny polka dots and a tone-on-tone pink design. I'll cut a fishtail on the bottom of each of the pieces. Before adhering the small pink banner, I will add a scrap piece of cardstock on the right side of the black banner. That way the pink banner stays at the same level. Put glue on the back of the pink banner and adhere it in place. So there is my finished card using the December 2nd item in Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. I didn't use a lot of products for this card, but I will link what's available in the description box below. And if you're interested in the card sketch I used in this video, I share that on my coordinating blog post, and that link is in the description box below. Be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 3rd reveal and a card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.